Middle of a call or trying to look up directions, and suddenly, nothing. Your mobile data is just gone. And if you're like me, you've probably tried toggling airplane mode 20 times already. Well, stop. Today, I'm going to show you the top ways to actually fix your mobile data, step by step. First, let's rule out the simple stuff. It sounds obvious, but check your data limit in your settings. Did you run out of data for the month? It happens. Next, double-check your billing. Sometimes it's as simple as an unpaid bill or a service outage from your provider. Check their social media pages. If they're down, they'll usually post about it there. Okay, everything is paid up. Now we try the soft fixes. Yes, turn it off and on again, but do it right. Put your phone in airplane mode, wait 10 seconds, then turn it off. This forces the phone to rescan for towers. If that doesn't work, turn your phone all the way off, wait 30 seconds, and turn it back on. It sounds like a cliché, but it fixes the problem way more often than you'd think. Still no luck? Time to dig into the network settings. This is where most people get scared, but it's totally safe. You're looking for Reset Network Settings. Note, this will forget your Wi-Fi passwords, so have those handy. Once you reset, your phone basically forgets all its cellular configuration and starts fresh. It's like a deep clean for your connection. If the software fixes didn't do it, the physical connection might be the issue. Pop out your SIM tray. Sometimes dust gets in there, or the SIM card just got bumped slightly out of place. Wipe the gold contact gently with a soft cloth, put it back in, and see if it picks up a signal. This is the one people forget about: APN settings. These tell your phone how to connect to your carrier's data network. If they're wrong, data won't work even if you have full bars. Search your carrier name plus APN settings on Google and make sure yours match. Sometimes, an update just messes these up. If you've gone through all of these and you still have zero signal, it's probably time to call your carrier. There might be a hardware issue with your SIM or the phone itself. But 90% of the time, one of these steps will get you back online. If this helped you out, hit that like button so it can help others, and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. See you in the next one.